Alright guys, I've just reverted this bike back to the standard carburettor after my so-called 38mm upgrade turned out to be a bit of a dud, which I think was pretty much identical to the one I've got on the bike now, which is the original carburettor. Now I've just changed the jetting one more time. Yes, I can't leave the jetting alone, and just lifted the needle one more notch to give it a little bit more power in the mid-range. And the big news though is that I have fitted, if you can see it there, a set of VForce Reed valves. Now, the bike's casually idling away there. Now have a listen to this. This is good. Have a listen to this. Have it. I haven't ridden the bike yet. I've only just installed it, yeah? Now that sounds pretty encouraging to me. Very, very encouraging to me. I mean, we're still idling a bit low, which you can up that, but have a listen to this. Like, from there, a little bit higher. Absolutely instant acceleration. Wow. I'm looking forward to getting this out on the road very soon. Well, getting out on the tracks, not the road. It doesn't matter too much here in Thailand. Anyway, you get my point. So yeah, it does sound very, very encouraging. It seems to be that it's cleared up that mid-range. The two biggest problems with this bike so far have been mid-range, sort of a little bit of a hesitation coming off low speed to high, and top end rev out has been pretty poor. So it's going to be interesting, very interesting. Stay tuned to the channel guys, because yeah, we might be just on a winner here. I'm looking forward to trying it out very soon. Oh, by the way, before I sign off, we have got another Enduro this weekend. Another tough Thailand Enduro, so we'll be taking that stock setup to the event and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully good.